Hey, welcome back to the kitchen of the vape shelf. Listen, I'm going to show y'all how to make Kool-Aid pickles today. We're going to do this real quick. All you need is a pot, a gallon of pickles, and some sugar, right? I've already poured my pickle juice over into the pot. I've already emptied my 2 packs of Kool-Aid in there. And I stirred it up like so. Stir it up till the sugar dissolves. How did I forget that? And then you simply cut your pickles in half, and I got the world's dullest knife. But you cut your pickles in half like that, right? And you just lay all your pickles over there like that. Once you get all your pickles cut like that, you place all your pickles back into the jar, and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like when I come back.
I see your girl standing over there, all up against the wall, just like you don't care. I know that's just a game, 'cause that ain't you. So get out on the floor and let me come dance with you. I don't want to play no games, and I ain't gonna waste my time. I'd rather have a good time with you and drink a little wine. So
yeah, you just cut it like this. That's what you're doing. You just lay them in your plate. As you cut them. All my stuff is clean and washed up, including my hands. That's how I do it. Just a demonstration to show y'all exactly what you do. You just cut all your pickles. Just like that. At least this is how I like to do it. I tried dumping them in that hole, but for some reason the flavoring doesn't go all the way through the pickles like I like it. So, this is how I do it. Alright?
Welcome back to the kitchen of the vape shelf. Alright y'all, like I told y'all, we making Kool-Aid pickles today. My favorite flavor of Kool-Aid pickle happens to be grape. So I'm making grape. Anyway, I got that stuff all made up. So now, if I'm a little bit lucky, I can pour this stuff back in my jar. Like so. And there you have it. After you've done that, Lord, what did I do with my cap? That's real good. Oh, here it is. Let me get it over here. Dang. Here we go. Okay, let this sit for 4 to 6 days. I like to give it a full week so the flavor's really all the way through the pickles. But that's all there is to it. Hey, y'all been back in the kitchen of the vape shelf. Check you next time. Peace.
I like a party just like you, laughing and singing and have a drink or two. And I won't spoil no party, I won't act no fool, and you won't hear me crying as long as